want to be able to find x and y intercepts of a graph when we're given an equation rather than the picture itself, and these are nonlinear examples. We're going to do the bottom one first. We know that the x-intercept happens when y is equal to 0. So to find the x-intercept, or multiple x-intercepts, we substitute 0 for y, and we get x squared plus 0 is equal to 1, which is the same thing as x squared is equal to 1. And then remembering from the very beginning of the semester our square root property, when we take the square root of both sides, we have that x is equal to positive or negative 1. Similarly, to find the y-intercept, we substitute x is equal to 0. And in that case, 0 plus y is equal to 1, or in other words, y. Oops. It'd be great if I could say the number that I write, or write the number that I say. Y is equal to 1. The top example is just a little bit more convoluted in the actual equation that we're given, but we follow the same process. If we want to find the x-intercept, we substitute y is equal to 0. So in this case, 0 is equal to this rational function. Now, the only way a fraction can equal 0 is if the numerator is equal to 0. Therefore, x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Or in other words, x is equal to positive or negative 1. To find the y-intercept, we allow x to equal 0. And in this case, we get y is equal to negative 1 over 8.